the last video we took you on a journey through the landscapes of France. Today I'm excited to show you where my travels are taking us next. As we hit the road once again with our caravan behind, we found ourselves drawn towards the ocean. Today I'll bring you along our journey to a new camping area where I've set up camp. Mere steps away from the ocean, the sound of the waves crashing against the shore is music to our ears. And we couldn't be more thrilled to be here. The camping area was run by a surfer family and told us all about the high wave season going on right now. The Atlantic Ocean. It's not with a boat, but it's by a 4x4, which is now in 2x4. But oh, check this one out. It's right 20 meters from where I was. That's like not just a camping. It's actually an attraction park, a little bit. Yeah, that's a camp. The guy really worked me up for it, because he's a surfer and stuff, and he was really excited about the ocean. And they're actually like, wait, 10 minutes from the ocean. That's not far. That's not crazy. Okay, I'm not with the caravan. I left it behind at Sion. Was it Sion? Oh yeah! After 5 kilometers away from the black stuff, we got here, in the loose sand. Beach sand. A bit wet and sticky, and I show you here, where I step on it in front of the camera, how loose this sand is. Now I've done it. But I wasn't panicking, I was prepared. Prepared, lol. It was early in the afternoon and time enough. I had all kinds of tricks under my sleeve to handle this situation. After all, it is with a car that won multiple Dakar rallies. What possibly could go wrong here? Let's get to work. I have a portable electric winch with me, so let's start with this device first and carry on our trip to the beach. Right? Getting it all out of the car is a hassle to start. It's all buried underneath. This took me a really long time to get it all out. And then connecting it all up to the battery. And then finally I got it rolled out, the cable, from the winch near a tree. And then I could do a rope around the tree and connect it to the hook from the winch. But then... too short, lol. After a bit more trying backward and forward, yeah, I got really stuck. There was absolutely no other solution than to try again. And then, yeah, you dig deeper and deeper and deeper. I tried the winch from the front, but the winch wasn't strong enough. Not even close. So, yeah. We needed less weight in the car. So there was no other solution than to clean up the car. Completely everything out. The water is now running. I have a water tank in the car and I'm just leaving the water out now. It's pumping out. So all the weight, I can probably take 350 kilos out of it, something like that. And the dog is helping, you can see that. I managed to winch it up a little bit. Now I'm putting sand under the wheels as much as I possibly can. I try to clear the deck, the underside I mean. Now we need a little bit less air in the tires, so let's do that. After a lot more trying, I decided it was over and I needed help. I wouldn't be able to do this myself. It got as bad as it could get. The car's tires are almost completely free and the car is laying full weight on his belly. So it was a turtle on the dry. I phoned the surfer's family if they maybe knew someone that could help, and they gave me a phone number of someone working in the forest. Maybe he could help. The guy was eating his dinner but would be there in 30 minutes after emptying his car. His truck. I was eagerly awaiting him as now darkness started to fall over us. I filled up the car again with all the stuff to walk to the road towards the people and guide them to the place I was stuck at. He was there pretty quick and he started to dig with his shovels under the wheels and put on some rubber playground mats, a rope on my tow bar, and he started to tug with extreme long run-ups and heavy pulls. We got me out pretty fast, but it was heavy. I don't have any footage of that because I don't like to film other people who come to help me. I have a short video when they left, when I gave them €100, 6 beers and a bottle of wine, just because I was so happy they came to the rescue. wijk niet meer op. En ik heb een feitcode. Neutraal. Oké. Gewoon dat. Dat zal wel over gaan krijgen. Ja. Ho ho ho.